Ça c'est vrai, je te gagne.
Salut tout le monde, bienvenue sur ma chaîne. Aujourd'hui c'est le 10e épisode de French Friday and today I'm going to share some of my favorite French songs and some singers, male or female. So I'm going to share all that and I've made a list of all the good songs here and I will play a little bit because I don't want to get copyright from YouTube. So without any further ado, let's get started. It took me a long time to realize that songs can be a very good way to improve your language, and आजकल I am listening to Spanish songs also, and my playlist is like a mixture of all the cultures and songs and languages. ये सारा आज की collection नहीं है. It's been like some months and years that I have collected all these brilliant songs. So few of them were like I heard them from my teachers, from colleagues, or I don't know कहाँ से ये सारे songs इकट्ठे हुए हैं. So in the beginning, 3 to 4 songs are from my initial years of learning French, and some of them I have got to know from my professors of Alliance Française. So first one is Champs-Élysées. Where is that one? This is only orchestra. Okay, I'll go to YouTube and play this song for you so that you can download. And as far as I remember, this song particularly, Champs-Élysées, what was told to me by one of my professors when I was in the end of B2 level. Chetan sir ने मुझे ये song बताया था, if some of you know, because I know many people who watch my videos are learning French and they go to Alliance Française de Delhi. So ये मुझे उन्होंने बताया था. Okay, so this one is Jo Dassine Champs-Élysées. I really like this particular line. So the next one is, let me just go back to my notes. I'll share. These are all the songs जो कि मैंने इकट्ठे करे हैं, which I want to share with you guys. So this one was Champs-Élysées. Next one is Cooler Cafe. So this one is basically it was told to me by Monsieur Soma again, because I was his student for around a year. तो एक साल में बहुत चीज़ें सीखने को मिलती है. Even that book which I have shared with you guys, बोला भवाल, वो भी उन्होंने बताई थी, उन्हीं की लिखी हुई है. Cooler Cafe. I like this music and tempo. बहुत अच्छा गाना है ये. This one, Cooler Cafe. Okay, so next one is Je Roule. So this one has a story to it. I got to know about this song when I was in Corsica and I was shopping for my friends and family, and I went into this particular store, and that time I remember I did not have any internet with me. Even this time when I went to France, I had no internet connection with me except for some few days and occasions. So when I was in Corsica, I went to this store and I was looking for some I don't remember, some cosmetics. So वहाँ पे उस स्टोर में ये गाना चल रहा था, and luckily उधर नेट भी था, तो मैंने फटाफट साउंड डाउन किया, फटाफट चेक किया ये कौन सा गाना है, और इतना प्यारा गाना था ना. तो this song takes me back to Corsica. So let me just play that for you. So this one is another song that I like, and it's been years that I'm listening to this one, और ये मैंने जिसको भी सुना है सबको अच्छा लगा है. So let me know जो भी गाने I am sharing and you play and you try them, and जो अच्छे लगे. Actually I'll tell you how songs help you in learning that language. सबसे पहले तो बस सुनो, like passively just listen to that song while doing something like cleaning up your room or just brushing or maybe doing some exercise. Play these songs passively, not like attentively इनको सुन रहे हो तब बिल्कुल मज़ा नहीं आता. That ruins all the fun. Your brain grabs a few words that it already knows, तो वो दिमाग में register हो जाते हैं, and then your brain tries to grab some more words which sound similar, which your brain maybe knows or maybe heard of, और वो दिमाग से उतर गए हों, कभी register ना हुए हों. So this is very fun way of learning a language. तो अभी जो आगे वाले songs हैं that I am going to share, उनमें से काफ़ी सॉन्ग्स तो ऐसे हैं जो मैंने अभी रिसेंटली ही डाउनलोड करे और मैंने इतने सुने भी नहीं है, तो मेरे को उनके लिरिक्स अच्छे से नहीं आते. आई ट्राई टू सी हाउ माई ब्रेन रिएक्ट्स जब मैं ऐसे गाने चलाती हूँ जो मैंने सुने नहीं है, बट आई कैन रिकॉग्नाइज एंड अंडरस्टैंड द मीनिंग बिहाइंड इट. अगर ज़्यादा डिफिकल्टी हो, सो आई वुड से जस्ट गो टू द लिरिक्स पार्ट, गो थ्रू, जस्ट स्क्रॉल डाउन द लिरिक्स, डोंट लाइक रीड इट, बिकॉज जैसे हिंदी सिंगर्स भी होते हैं, इंग्लिश सिंगर्स भी होते हैं, दे डोंट से द वर्ड एंटायरली, वो आधा वर्ड खा जाते हैं जस्ट टू गिव दैट साउंड इफेक्ट. लाइक वर्ड बाय वर्ड लिरिक्स मत पढ़ना. सो जस्ट गो थ्रू लिरिक्स वंस एंड उसके बाद ट्राई एंड लिसन एंड कीप रिपीटिंग दिस प्रोसेस एंड पूरा गाना भी रट जाएगा, लिरिक्स भी रट जाएंगे और फिर एकदम चौड़ में तुम बोल भी सकते हो आई नो दिस पर्टिकुलर फ्रेंच सॉन्ग विद ऑल द लिरिक्स एंड मीनिंग बिहाइंड इट. So this is how I would suggest you can learn a little bit more. Okay, next one is La Violence. ये तो सभी को पता होता है वैसे. जो फ्रेंच सीख रहे हैं, I am sure many people, almost everybody knows about this song. जो फ्रेंच नहीं भी सीख रहे. So originally I think मैंने एडिथ पियाफ का सुना था. So I actually have four versions of La Vie en Rose, but I think I like the original one, Edith Piaf, and the second one is Louis Armstrong. I love his version also. So this is also one good song, like classic. It's a very feel good song, so you can listen to this one and download it and enrich your playlist. Okay, so the next 4 to 5 songs are like my new favorite. So first one is Bobo Ocker, because इसकी sound बहुत अच्छी लगती है. So Bobo Ocker, और songs की सबसे बड़ी चीज़ ये होती है that once you listen to those songs and go through the lyrics, you learn to, you find new words and new phrases and how they are used. So all this you can learn through listening to songs. So Bobo Ocker, when I listened to this one, I went to Google. वैसे Google भी कर सकते हो, और I would suggest you can go to Word Reference, this particular app. So just write that phrase and उसका usage and meaning, everything will be shown to you. So Bobo Ocker, Sabadir, tu fais you hurt me, tu fais mal Ocker. So दिस इज हाउ, एंड इतने फन वे में इसको पोर्ट्रे किया है ना इस बंदे ने, दिस सिंगर दाजू. आई लव हिज सॉन्ग्स. इसके 3-4 और हैं, बोबो ओकर एंड कॉम्प्लिके. कॉम्प्लिके इज ऑल्सो अ वेरी गुड सॉन्ग. आई प्ले इट फॉर यू गाइस. इवन द म्यूजिक एंड टेम्पो. Okay, so the next singer, next chanteur is Konji Girac. And he's a French singer, and I don't know how I got to know about him, and I love his song, and he is a treat to eye. These are his albums, and he was the winner of season 3 of The Voice. Tiago, I love this song a lot. I suggest you give a listen to all his albums and songs. You will find plenty of good songs which resonate with your taste. So Konji Girac is like amazing. Even his music videos are just so good to watch. इतने अच्छे तरीके से shoot करी होती हैं, तो I just love his work entirely. Enfant des villes ou enfant des fois. Okay, so next one is more of a rapper, and I got to know about him recently when I was in Toulon. How famous he was in Toulon, I don't know about the rest of the France. I mean, high school mein where I used to teach, that lycée, students were crazy about him, and even my roommate Thomas, he was also a big fan of Nick Fur. There were 3-4 times when I was going with Thomas in his car, so he would play this, his music all the time, and that is how I got to know about him. And I'm not really मेरे को raps इतने पसंद नहीं आते, but I think I have developed a taste for raps, चाहे वो किसी भी language में हो, हिंदी, English and French. So he is basically a rapper, and मुझे इसके सारे raps और सारे गाने नहीं पसंद. I'll share my favorites. So I like this one. Don't worry, I'll share all the names with the singers in the description box below, so you can go and download it and enrich your playlist and your vocabulary and improve your French. I mean, once you listen to his song, you get used to his music, and I don't know, you very weirdly start to like it, and in no time you will see yourself listening to his songs on a loop. At least मेरे साथ तो यही हुआ. I was like, I don't think I like rap songs, and then I was like listening to Nick Fur on loop. It's crazy. Okay, moving on is Balance ton quoi. So this is basically a very sarcastic song.
Tous comme des animaux, de toutes les chattes se parlent mal de mes filles. Je sais qu'au fond t'as compris. Balance ton quoi, un jour peut-être ça changera.
This is basically a French गाली, और ये इसको इतने sarcastic और sweet way में बोलती है, गाली लगती ही नहीं है. So I just really love this song. It's typically my vibe. Okay, so next one is Mec de Cité, and actually I got to know about this song from listening to French FM that I do all the time, and I've shared that in the previous episodes of French Friday. This is what I do, like when I'm totally like doing something and I passively listen to some music, some French, and that is how I learn some more, new songs, new singers, and I also get to know what is happening in France, because now that I'm in India, I would love to know what is happening there where I used to live once. It's very urban kind of song, and I don't know, everybody has their own interpretation, but I really like this one. I like it. As I told you, मैंने recently सुना है, तो मुझे इसके lyrics अभी नहीं आते, but I really like the tempo, music, and जिस way में इनकी French words और एकदम सही time पे music का combination होता है, I just love that. Okay, so next one is Première fois, Move Extra. So उन दोनों पे तो ये गाना on loop रहता है, so I'll just play that for you. Doma Rue, I love this one. ये भी मेरे को recently पता चला. वो जो सीडी घसीटने की आवाज़ें होती है ना, मुझे वो इतनी ज़्यादा टेम्पटिंग लगती है ना ये सुनने में. आई लव दिस सॉन्ग ऑल्सो. नेक्स्ट वन इज गार्ड ला पेश, बूबा. दिस वन अनदर रैप. तो आई एम टेलिंग यू, मेरे को रैप का थोड़ा सा चस्का चढ़ गया है, एंड आई लव इट. ओके, नेक्स्ट वन इज लेज ए शार. दिस इज द वन. बहुत ही सॉफ्ट और मेलोडियस काइंड ऑफ है, और ये पुराना है. मैं भी ये गाना भूल गई थी, बट देन आज मैं जब देख रही थी कि अच्छा व्हाट ऑल सॉन्ग्स आई वांट टू शेयर विद यू गाइस, तो आई जस्ट केम अक्रॉस दिस वन वंस अगेन. सो आई वाज लाइक, व्हाई नॉट. ओके, नेक्स्ट वन, आई सपोज आई हैव हर्ड दिस फ्रॉम सम मूवी, ऑल ए रेस्ट. बड़ा सॉफ्ट सा, प्यारा सा, पेपी और हैप्पी सा गाना है. आई लव दिस वन. Okay, so the next few songs are from this particular singer Khaled. I just love him and love his songs. He actually writes like a mixture of English, French, Arabic and all these songs. And this one is particularly French, and this one, this song was also in the movie Befikre. वहाँ से I got to know about this song. I'm sure you must be knowing if किसी ने बेफिक्रे देखे, and you have noticed this song. C'est la vie. I love this one. इसकी स्टार्टिंग ही ऐसी होती है. I love his songs, and there is another one, but that is Arabic. I would still like to share that one, but let me know, because I have a lot of Spanish, Moroccan, Arabic and Greek. बहुत सारे अच्छे अच्छे Icelandic, बहुत सारे अच्छे अच्छे प्लेलिस्ट का मिक्सचर है मेरे पास. इफ़ यू आर इंटरेस्टेड, लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट सेक्शन बिलो. आई विल मेक अ वीडियो, लाइक अ रेगुलर वीडियो जो ट्यूसडे को आती है, वो वाली, नॉट द फ्रेंच वन. अभी वी विल कीप इट टू फ्रेंच सॉन्ग्स ओनली. आई जस्ट प्ले दिस वन. आई लव दिस सॉन्ग अ लॉट. दिस इज एक्चुअली फीचरिंग पिटबुल, तो बहुत ही ज़्यादा मिक्सचर. आई जस्ट लव दिस सिंगर अ लॉट. एंड लास्ट बट नॉट द लीस्ट इज एला. don't know, I just love this song a lot. जैसे जितने भी songs थे जो मैंने share करे हैं, I just love them a lot. And yeah, these were all the songs that I wanted to share with you guys. Let me know अगर इनमें से कोई you have already listened to. And बताना कौन सा अच्छा लगा, and share all your favorites also. मेरी भी थोड़ी playlist enrich करो यार. So let me know all this in the comment section below. Let's just chit chat over there. I don't know, it's a mixture or remix, I don't know, but this one is by Mark Anthony and I love this one. Is another like a remake of C'est La Vie, and I love this song and I'm going to listen to this song and I'll take your leave now. If you liked this video, found this useful and entertaining and musical, or kuch seekha ho, let me know in the comment section below. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, bell icon zarur dabana, and share this video with your friends and family, and I'll see you next time Tuesday ko with another Greece vlog. Till then, you know what to do. Dream, hustle and explore. Rave buscule e explore. Bye bye.